Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Asana Workflow Approvals for Intake and Signoff, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where the workflow approvals are set up. Locate the task that requires verification for Intake and Signoff. Click on the task to open its details. Review the description and any attached files related to the task. Check the comments section for any discussions or feedback from team members. Look for the approval status indicator on the task. If there are multiple approvers, verify each individual's input. Confirm that all required approvals are marked as complete. If there are pending approvals, follow up with the respective team members. Next, check for any custom fields that indicate progress. Ensure that the task has moved to the correct section of your workflow. Review any associated subtasks to verify their completion. Look for any due dates to ensure the task is on schedule. If applicable, examine any dependencies that may affect the approval process. Once verified, update the task status to reflect its progress. Communicate any necessary changes or updates to relevant stakeholders. Adjust any deadlines or priorities based on the approval status. Finally, document any observations for future reference. Close the task if all approvals are complete and the sign-off process is finalized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.